video lectures. Last videos we learned about joint venture. Now we came to conclusion, that is we discussed in this video lecture about joint venture memorandum joint venture account. Memorandum joint venture account. Okay, the videos which we did earlier, features, definition, features, advantages, disadvantages, difference between joint venture consignment, joint venture with partnership, steps in formation of joint venture and clauses of joint venture, methods of recording joint venture accounts. I explained in with journal entries, and the two problems 1 and 2 I explained. Here I write with one co-venture only, but I prepared ledger accounts, journal entries in the books of two co-venturers or all co-venturers. Similar type is all co-venturers. We did problem number 3 one video, problem number 5 another video. Separate set of books are maintained to record joint venture. And one video, problem number 6, and another video is 7. Now the last one which we are going to prepare, they don't prepare any ledger accounts or ledger books. Simply everybody will write their own, and whatever the transactions made in joint venture, you share with other co-venturers. A consolidated account is prepared to find the joint venture profit. So that is called as a memorandum joint venture. So earlier, A is writing all the writing his transactions as well as the transactions which are done by the B. B also writing his transactions as well as the transactions which were done by A. But in this method, A will write the transactions of his own and B will write transactions of his own. A will share his transactions with B, and B will share the transactions with A, and they prepare a memorandum consolidated account, memorandum joint venture account, to find the profit that should be distributed among themselves. Okay, that is memorandum joint venture account. Just theory, we will understand what is memorandum joint venture account. This account is to find only profit or loss in joint venture. Co-venturers are paying their expenses and debited from their account, and profit made by co-ventures is credited in the respective co-venture names. Expenses, whatever it may be, they will be debited in their names, and any incomes are credited, sales are credited, profits are credited. Memorandum joint venture account is an agreement when two or more parties are called joined together, exclusive business for a limited period, and it is managed jointly by all the parties of the joint venture. A will share the transactions with B will share the transactions with the A, and both will use it to prepare the joint ventures. Okay, so in this co-venture, in this case, co-venturers are maintain the records. This is very important. Here in this, only the difference of this one is maintaining the co-venture accounts separately. Maintain the co-venture accounts separately. And there are different books of accounts of the joint venture. That is, records of all transactions, records of known transactions. Co-venturers keep the records of the so we make the memorandum joint venture account. Each co-venturer of the joint account record only his transaction. We have to understand in this method, A will write his own only his transactions, whatever happened in joint venture. B will write only his transactions which were happened in joint venture. Later, both the people shared mutually to record in So each co-venturers open a joint venture account with the co-venturers account, joint venture with the A account. So A will open a account joint venture with the B account, and B will open a account joint venture with the A account. Each of them debits all the incomes. Debit all the expenses and losses, credit all the incomes and gains. We can't estimate the profit or loss from the venture from this co-venturers account. That's why we prepare memorandum joint venture account, estimating the profit or loss of joint venture. Okay. They individually prepare their own transactions. So we combine the joint account will open, that we are calling memorandum joint venture account to estimate the profit. Each co-venturer sends a regular statement of their transactions as per the joint venture to the other co-venturer involved in the joint venture. So A will send the transactions of his own to B. B will send the transactions of his own to A itself. The final statement helps in preparation of the memorandum joint venture. We call it a memorandum account because this account is not part of the when there is a debit and credit are there. So it is not possible to draft the journal entries as per the double entry system. It is a statement. We prepare it as a statement. So, example for with this example we can understand. Okay. Suppose there are two co-venturers A and B. A co-venturer will open his account in his book and it will be titled joint venture with the A account, which is a personal account, and it does not show the profit or loss in joint venture. A will open joint venture with the A account. He records his own all, and A co-venturer debits the account with his expenses and credits the account with his receipts. So joint venture with the A account consists of all the transactions which are done by the A. Either expenses will be debited, incomes are credited. In this case, only A records his transactions. No account can be incurred and by the other co-venture B. So in this joint venture with the A account, there are no other transactions, only transactions related to A. Journal entries made in the books of one party, say Mr. A, and the other co-venturer, Mr. B. The above is personal account, does not display any profit or loss. Get the profit or loss in joint venture, we have to prepare a consolidated statement called as a memorandum joint venture account. To prepare a memorandum joint venture account, one co-venturer A will have to send another co-venturer B a copy of the account kept by him. To prepare the joint to find the profit, A has to send his details to B and B has to send the details to A. Based on the copy of the account of his own account, memorandum joint venture account is prepared. Memorandum joint venture account is a just collection of joint venture accounts prepared by all the co-venturers. So memorandum joint venture account consists of sales of A, sales of B, expenses of A, expenses of B. Okay. And here, this is not made under the double entry principles of account. Hence, it is not to find out the it is made to find out the profit or loss. Okay. It is not a ledger account, it is a statement. Because when it is called ledger account, when it is prepared based on the double accounting principle. Okay. Right. Now we will open our accounts. Problem number 9. Problem number 9. Right. Okay. Ghosh and Bose enter into a joint venture of guaranteeing the subscription at par of 1 lakh shares of 10 rupees each of a joint stock company. A company is going to issue the shares, and they agreed that we will do that job. That is called guarantee. They agree to share profit and losses in ratio of 1:3. The terms right. The terms and conditions. The terms with the company are 4.5 commission in cash and 6,000 shares of the company as fully paid. Is a shares issuing company. They will pay commission amount, total sales value of the shares into 4.5 commission, and 6,000 shares of the company as fully paid. The public take up 94,000 of shares. Public taken up how many shares? 94,000 of shares. And the balance shares of guaranteed issue are taken up by Ghosh and Bose, who provides cash equally. Total shares are 1 lakh. Public applied 94. Remaining 6,000 were taken by Ghosh and Bose. Okay? And they contributed the amount equally for that 6,000 shares. The entire shareholding of the venture is then sold through the brokers. Total shares were sold. 25% at a price of 9 rupees, 50% at a price of 8.75, 15% at a price of 8.50. Remaining 10% are given to those who are not subscribed, who are guaranteed by Bose and Bose. That's why their amount is 6,000 shares. 15% are 8.5, remaining 10% are taken over by Bose and Bose equally at 8 per share. Okay. The sale proceeds of the shares are taken by the partners equally. So the sales which the sales which are made by according to the proportions, okay, na? Different rates, 9 rupees, 8.75 and 8.5. Okay, 8.5 itself. So remaining 10% are at the rate of 8 rupees. The sale proceeds of the shares are taken by the partners equally. Prepare joint venture memorandum account. Joint venture memorandum account. It's not a memorandum, joint venture account. Joint venture memorandum account. In the books of and the separate accounts in the books of Bose and Bose. Okay, right. So first we'll understand the sales. So total shares they receive. One is commission 6,000 shares. Another one is 10% shares are there. 10% shares are there. Those are 6,000 shares. Total 12,000 shares. These 12,000 shares are also sold out. These 12,000 shares also sold out. The entire shareholding of the venture is then sold through brokers. 1,94,000 shares as well as this 12,000 shares also sold out. So 25% at a price of 9. 12,000 shares into 25% is equal to 3,000. 3,000 at the rate of 9 rupees 27. 50% at price of 8.75. 50% that is 12,000 into 50%, 6,000, it is 8.75. 8.75 and 52,500. Remaining 15% sold at the rate of 8.5 in 300. Then 94,800 is the total sales amount they received. The sale proceeds are shared are taken by the partners equally. So 94,800 it goes 47,400, goes is 47,400. Okay. So the next commission we have to calculate. Total shares are 1 lakh. On 1 lakh into 4.5% commission. Okay. So 4.5, that is 45,000. 45,000 is divided. Commission is distributed 4:5 ratio, that is 4 by 9, 5 by 9, 20,000 and 25,000. Okay. Now we will prepare a joint venture with joint venture with the both account we prepare. Okay. He contributed 30,000 to bank. For purchase of shares. Amount is 30,000. By sales, by bank. In the bracket sales. Amount is 47,400. Again by bank commission. Commission is 20,000. By shares. $600 into 8 rupees. 4,800. Okay. So this should be shared with the, this is boss account. Joint venture with the boss account. The books are those. The books of boss. Joint venture with the boss account. Bank 30,000. By bank sales 47,400. By bank commission 25,000. By bank sale of shares. These are the related to okay, right. Now we prepare joint venture memorandum account. Joint venture memorandum account. Course shares purchase amount. That is 30,000. Gross purchase of shares 30,000. 30,000 by sales amount by gross Watson 400 by gross 100 by shares mission total is 149. Same 149 400. Difference amount is 89 400. Goes 1/3. Was uh, 3/4 is 1/4. Right. So 89 400 22,350 and 89,400 into 3 divided by 7050. This we record into their personal accounts. Right. To profit. $22,350. And total amount is 70. Right. 72. To bank. It is 1980. Okay. And here also to profit and loss account. $67,050. And total will be 97,050. Right. By bank. In 8. Okay, students. Boss has to pay 19,850 to boss, and boss has to receive 19,850 from boss. That's all. That is joint venture. Okay, na? Here we are unable to write journal entries because it is not based on the double entry system. Okay, students. So all these are 3 videos. 2 videos means 9 or 10 videos related to joint venture. Very important, very easy. Just you have to practice. If you practice, then you will get a good number. Very easy. You can solve them very easy. Okay. So look at our journey, which we made earlier, is definition, features, video 1, difference between joint venture, consignment, joint venture with partnership is second video, formation of joint venture and clause of joint venture, third video, methods of recording joint venture accounts is fourth video, recording transactions in one co-venturer's book is video number 5, video number 6 is with problem number 3, video number 7 is problem number 5, video number 8 is problem number 6, video number 9 is problem number 7, video 10 is okay, problem number 9 with memorandum joint venture accounts. Hope you are doing well and okay, na, taking COVID norms and you prepare well. Be perfect in joint venture. It is very simple, very simple. And just you have to understand double entry system and pass the journal entries. So in one co-venturer or two co-venturer, entries are same. Entries are same. One co-venturer you don't write in other co-venturers book. All co-venturers you will pass the entries in all co-venturers. Separate set of books are very easy. Memorandum joint venture memorandum account is simply our joint venture account. Incomes and incomes sales we have to write credit side. Expenses and contributions we have to write debit side. Okay, students, by meet you next unit, that is unit 4, single entry system.